Hello guys, this is Aaron from SPROLINK, and here I'm in InfoComm 2025 to show our new products. This time I'm very excited to release our new device for rAVe. It's 8K live streams, it's 8K video switchers. Now, this one is our 4K mixer, and you can see in here we have 4K input. It's complete 4K input resolution. And this device, we can control this device by the website. Here is a web page of the controller. Yeah, you can see we have 4K inputs, multiple 4K inputs. We also have 8K inputs. This one is 8K inputs. Yeah, and this device can support multiple inputs. When I drag, yeah. In here, in the output, you can see we have one 8K background with 3 4K layers. Yeah, and this device is very powerful for LED screen configuration. And welcome to our booth to check out our new solutions for 8K. Our website is www.sprolink.com.